Hi everyone, it's Sonia Boko here. Welcome back to my channel where I share with balloon artists how to make beautiful balloon art. In today's tutorial, I've decided to do another balloon hair tutorial. Another, you say? Well, for one, you can't have too many balloon hair tutorials. And for two, this time it is for a boy. It is a male hairstyle, which I hope you're going to enjoy. So let's get into how to make this beautiful balloon gentleman's hair. So to make this design, you're going to need a 6-inch Qualatex quick link. I have it here in the blush, and I've got a couple of 160s in my hair color of choice. And just additionally, we need to make a balloon raisin. So here I have a little bit of black 260 that I've knotted several times and removed the excess to create the raisin part, and a little bit of scrap balloon which is going to use to secure the raisin, same color as the shirt that my character is going to be wearing. So I recommend you try and match it to the color of the shirt above anything else. So we're going to start by inserting the balloon raisin into the quick link, and that's just going to go down into the body of the balloon. And now to inflate. And I'm inflating it to just over a palm's width wide. You can hear that rattling around inside. Now I am going to go ahead to knot that off and trying to locate the center. I'm going to pinch that on the inside. I think that's well centered. Now I'm going to take that scrap, wrapping it around tightly several times. And securing like so. At this point, I want to attach it to the body, which I prepared earlier, and bring it in as closely as possible to those pinch twists. That's kind of how it's looking now, but I really want to integrate that into the 2 pinch twists there. Repositioning the arms. Right now I'm getting strong Stewie a la Family Guy vibes. Let's take care of that. I don't like Stewie. I'm going to go ahead to do the 160. So you might get away with using just one. Let's see how we go. But I am going to knot that directly to the pinch twist on one side of the quick link, and I've inflated it with about 4 fingers uninflated tail. And starting over here, I'm going to do 1 pinch twist, just resting that on top of the balloon, and adding another pinch twist. That point was about 2/3 across the top of the head, and then bringing it down nice and snug against the top of the balloon. Where you can see it's meeting the end of the quick link. Twist that in and do 1 more pinch twist. This is what we're looking at so far. Now we're going to run this 160 backwards and forwards across the head several times. And I'm going to pop it up and rest it against the first lot of the balloon. Bringing it across to the nozzle and pinch twist end, and just capturing that pinch twist in the twist. Going to repeat this a couple more times. And just trying to keep them one directly underneath the other. This colour is working well with my eyeshadow. That was not intentional. Okay, so at this stage, this is what our fellow is looking like. Bring the last part of the 160 in front of this pinch twist. Don't tuck any nozzles out of the way. I'm going to bring it up and over to this pinch twist here and bring it in. And with the length of balloon I have left, I'm wanting that to somewhat rest and sit atop of that pinch twist, just to give it a bit more volume and to hide that pinch twist behind. Here I think I could have benefited from having a little bit more air in there, so why don't I do just that. That's a generous amount, more than I need. That's where a legenda can really come into its own, or an electronic inflation device where you can just snip off the end and add a little bit more air, much easier than fiddling around with manual inflation. But now that little bit extra is going to help me achieve what I want. Bringing that 160 around to the top and then secure the excess into the pinch twist at the start. And again, hiding the end of that 6-inch quick link. You can play around with it a bit until you find that it is sitting just right. So we have something that looks a bit like this. Thank goodness, no more Stewie vibes. You can go ahead to upsize this as well. Yesterday I made a series of soccer players as requested by my party mum, and I used the same technique there, but instead of the 6-inch quick link I used the 12-inch. I also made a couple of female soccer players, but I tend to prefer to use the quick link in the upright state. And when making something that's for a male, typically I think it's hard to escape it from looking a little bit feminine when the quick links are used in the upright. But I really like how the quick link can be flipped around and used on the side and still get a wonderful effect. Then you can go ahead to add any artwork. Doesn't get too much more simpler than that. I think I might call him George, but if you have a better name for him, why not pop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, why not subscribe, because I love helping balloon artists put a positive twist in their life. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!